Hey precious family, welcome to Ahobrasia Kitchen. I trust all is well. Thank you all my viewers and my subscribers. Yeah, today's one is simple as always. We have some herbs here. Normally, when you buy the herbs, you just use it for something and then the rest becomes like you put it in the fridge and it becomes dark or change color. So today's one is we are going to prevent it from getting dark or black. We have cilantro, sage, thyme, basil, rosemary, and parsley. Sanya you use yang spices na yang green leaves new ya never can na your dish fridge man na black. Yeah, try to prevent it from that. You know, you know say no, cilantro no, and cilantro, parsley. Utumi and a basil, utumi and say, ufa, it depending how amount a not what it actually maybe I have to cut this a little bit just to. So first method no, you can put it in a cold water. You get your jar or your bowl, you put it in cold water, then let me get a bigger one. Okay, then you cover it and you tighten it a little bit here, side and side, like you close it. Then you put it in your fridge so that it will last a long time for you to use it. Okay, you the same method. Okay, then you cover that one too like this. So these ones I'm going to cut them and chop them into pieces. So I have basil and sage. I'm going to chop. I'm adding them together. You can do it separately. So you chop it. Put them in the ice cubes trays. Okay. So then you add your oil to cover the leaves. So you put it in the freezer and it's ready. You can just put it in Ziploc bags, but you can put label them so that you know which is which. This one you can add your favorite, like the ones that you normally use, the spices that you normally use. Yeah, you just add them together or you do them separately. Yeah, it all depends on you. Okay, thyme, rosemary, lemon, and butter. My butter, put it in here. I add my rosemary. Okay. And then my thyme. So you can use any leaves that you want. Yes, you can add pepper to it. You can add any leaves that you want. Zest. Okay. Then you mix all together. So use parsley. And you want to see. So this one, area wo a what can they a bake you chicken beer the kakra fado. Say chicken breast. Let's take a crowd of boss. Now, what to steer now? Or what bake it? No. To me, they have bread and some toast. Say, okay, so the butter that I used, some unsalted butter. I didn't add the salt, so when I'm using it, I'll add salt. So it's up to you if you want to use salted butter. It's okay. A towel. I'm gonna wet it from the paper towel, and I'm gonna put just the last method. Just roll it. Then you place it in your zip. Okay. Yep. So I'm gonna put that one here, then slow it. Okay, so this is the time. That one to roll it the same way you put it in your bag. Okay. I'm going to share avocado tip with you. Hey, Madam Nancy. Yeah, my cousin, she taught me this one. Normally, the avocado that we use here, this type especially, when peeling it, it's a little bit hard. It doesn't come smoothly like Ghana one. You just cut it into 4 or 2, then you just you peel it. It comes so beautifully and nice. But here, this one is a little bit stronger. So we're going to put it in a warm water. I'm just going to do one. We're going to put it in a warm water. You put it in the warm water, then you wait for like some few minutes, then it's easier for you to peel. Okay. See? I hope the more banana. Even this one, we put it in a warm water and put. It's a little bit. So can you imagine without the warm water? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Thanks for this tip, Auntie Nancy. So, done. Beautifully. Okay, family, thank you for watching. We're done. I'm going to put one bag here, then I'll put this in the fridge. These ones are going in the freezer. This is going in the fridge. And our beautiful baby avocado. And I have this here. You can do your spring onions, cut them the same way we did this, freeze them, put them in the bag, and keep it. Anytime you need it, you just use. This is what I did for myself. You see, put them with it. This one is bell peppers. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Stay blessed.